Greetings, fellow wanderers. Today we embark on a soul-stirring journey through the heart of Java, Indonesia, where the ancient Prambanan Temple stands as a testament to cultural richness and spiritual grandeur. Nestled in lush greenery, Prambanan exudes a serene energy that transcends time. The temple's layout mirrors the cosmos, reflecting a deep spiritual connection between the earth and the sky. Join us as we explore its inner sanctums, each dedicated to a different deity, and feel the vibrations of devotion that still resonate. The Prambanan Temple compound, a masterpiece of Hindu architecture, is a 9th century Hindu temple compound dedicated to the Trimurti, the expression of Brahma, God is the creator, Vishnu the Preserver, and Shiva the Destroyer. Prambanan Temple compound is located approximately 17 kilometers northeast of the city of Yogyakarta. According to history, Rakai Pikatan, a Hindu prince from the Sanjaya Dynasty, who had married into the ruling Buddhist Sailendra monarchy, built all the temples in the Prambanan Archaeological Park. In its original form, the temple complex contained over 250 large and small temples. The temple compound was extended by successive Mataram kings with the addition of the hundreds of perwara temples around the central temples. It served as a royal temple for the Kingdom of Mataram for its religious ceremonies and sacrifices. However, in the 10th century, the temple was largely abandoned because the Mataram dynasty moved to East Java. It then collapsed during a major earthquake in the 16th century. As we wander through Prambanan's complex, we marvel at the craftsmanship that tells tales of divine intervention and epic battles. The temple is adorned with panels of narrative bas-reliefs, telling the story of the Hindu epic Ramayana and Bhagavata Purana. The narrative bas-relief panels were carved along the inner balustrades wall on the gallery around the three main temples. The bas-relief of Ramayana illustrates how Sita, the wife of Rama, is abducted by Ravana. The Monkey King Hanuman brings his army to help Rama and rescue Sita. This story is also shown by the Ramayana ballet, regularly performed at the full moon ceremony of Trimurti's open-air theater on the west side of Prambanan's complex. Worldwide knowledge of the existence of Prambanan was sparked in 1814 by Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles, the British ruler of Java, who was advised of its location by native Indonesians. Prambanan has since been preserved through several restorations. The largest restoration project was undertaken between 1975 and 1982 by the Indonesian government and UNESCO, following which the monument was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As the day unfolds, amidst these ancient stones, we take a moment to reflect on the interconnectedness of all things. The spiritual energy here is profound, inviting us to contemplate the timeless wisdom held within these sacred walls. As our journey at Prambanan comes to an end, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's keep the spirit of exploration alive and continue unraveling the mysteries of our world. Until next time, may your travels be filled with knowledge, wonder, and spiritual enlightenment.